Valentine's, the holiday of love, perfect for the heart-shaped anthurium, and adding a heart of a nautilus. Let me show you how it's done. The mechanics: a classic compote, 1/3 of a brick of midnight foam taped into place, scoring the corners so that I have no edges jutting out. The flowers, of course, Valentine roses. Can't forget that. But there's so much more. Beautiful anthurium, kale, carnations. With the kale, just want to go through and open it out, reflex each of the petals to give you a full coverage so that they're gorgeous. And then those of you that have had advanced floral design, you'll recognize the nautilus. Put together with the flowers, we can add a heart at the end to make it truly Valentine's. You'll also find the directions for this in the Flower Lovers Club. If you're a member, you can log into the technique library and learn the nautilus as a reminder of what you had learned in class. As I begin, I start with my emphasis using the kale because they're so big. If I don't get them in quickly, there might not be enough room in the foam. So tucking them in low, letting it come over, break the line of the container, repeating that, terracing above, and then bringing the third one out the opposite side so that it's going to be a two-sided arrangement. It won't be flat. This will draw the eye through. Then bringing in the roses, some tucked low and others left a little longer to create depth in the arrangement. And repeating it on the opposite side as well. Bringing in the carnations. Shadowing one behind the other, again creating depth. And then thinking about the anthurium, adding them so that they come a bit over the top to add that look of a heart. With flowers in place, coming back and adding in the nautilus. Now a special shout out to graduate FDI certified floral designer Abby, who made these for me. So thank you, Abby. Now you can see your work on camera. So thank you. You have the most beautiful nautilus. Very, very perfect. And they form the heart, finishing off the Valentine arrangement. Then just a little bit more green, adding in some ruscus to finish covering my mechanics. The recipe: 2 palm nautilus. Again, thank you, Abby. 9 of the red roses, 3 anthurium, 3 kale, 9 of the burgundy carnations, and then 3 stems of the ruscus to fill it in. For many professional florists, Valentine's Day is the busiest week of the year. So when you're creating designs that are fabulous, you need to think efficiently. The beauty of this, the nautilus can be done several days in advance. You don't have to wait till the last minute. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Think up the perfect recipe, get creative, and create lovely Valentine's arrangements. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.